Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss that will enhance your Unreal Engine experience. We're going to show you how to change UE4 and UE5's secret editor preference to reveal midpoint arrows on blueprint connections. But wait, what exactly are midpoint arrows? Well, midpoint arrows, as shown in this example, are arrows that are displayed halfway between connection points, and their main benefit is that they provide you, the developer, with a clearer visual representation of your blueprint logic. This simple tweak will show you how to display these arrows in your blueprints. So let's dive right in. Let's take a look at a typical blueprint with various connections. By default, connection arrows are not displayed, which can sometimes make complex blueprints a bit challenging to follow. But fear not, with this little tweak, you'll be able to add visual clarity to your blueprint designs. The first step is to access the editor's preferences. To do this, navigate to the Edit menu at the top of the editor window and select Editor Preferences. In the Editor Preferences window, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side with various categories. Scroll down or locate the Blueprint Editor Settings category. Click on it to show the settings on the right-hand side. Now here's the secret preference we've been talking about. Look for the Visual Style category, and in that section, locate the Draw Midpoint Arrows in Blueprints setting. If you can't find it right away, click in the search box and search for arrows, and it should pop up. By default, the checkbox is not checked. This is why we don't see midpoint arrows on our connections. To enable the midpoint arrows, simply check the checkbox. This change will modify the appearance of blueprint connections throughout your project, making it easier to identify the flow of execution. Now that we've made the necessary change, you can close the editor's preference window. Now let's take a look at our blueprint again. As you can see, the arrows now appear at the midpoint of the connections, indicating the direction of data flow. With the addition of midpoint arrows, it becomes much easier to understand the blueprint's logic at a glance. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale game, these arrows can save you time by reducing the need to follow each individual line manually. And that's it. You've unlocked the power of midpoint arrows in Unreal Engine's Blueprint Editor. Now you can create and navigate complex blueprints with ease, thanks to this simple preference change. Unreal Engine is a powerful tool with countless customization options that can enhance your workflow and productivity. So go ahead and experiment with other editor preferences as well. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more Unreal Engine tutorials and tips. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, leave them in the comments below. And until next time, happy blueprinting!